Have you ever wanted to create original music without knowing how to sing, play instruments, or use expensive music production software? What if you could generate professional quality songs in just a few clicks using artificial intelligence? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create over 4 minutes amazing AI-generated music with Treblo.com, from writing prompts to generating complete songs with vocals, lyrics, and instrumentals. Whether you're a content creator, YouTuber, filmmaker, marketer, or simply love music, this tutorial will help you start creating incredible AI music today. Let's get started.
The name of the site we're going to be using for this music generation video is going to be Sonato. So it's called Son, and then you add auto at the end, .ai. So let's type it, S-O-N auto.ai. And then you hit enter. So this is the website. It is amazing. It is amazing. Yes, it looks complicated, but I'm going to explain it in a very short and simple way. Okay, so here you are at home. Okay, you click home. When you click home, it is just going to bring you here. Still, it's not taking you anywhere. So here on home, if you click home and create, both of them look alike, but I'm going to explain the difference. Home, when you're looking at your home, you're going to see start your masterpiece, simple and advanced. If you want to create it, you want it to look very simple. You don't want to add tags, add this, add that. You click on simple. If you want to add your tags, do whatever it is you want to do, you click on advanced. Down here, you see search for styles. So these are the type of styles you'll be seeing, but you can view all tags to see different styles you can generate your video with. Okay, so you can even hit auto tags for it to automatically add tags. Here you can also upload. Down here, you can up here before you go down, you can choose your model, version 2.2 or version 3. So I'll leave it at version 3. Version 3 is the one that gives you access to, as you can see down here, 4.5 minutes, thousands of new styles. So you don't have any challenge of what do I want to create. Just think about it and you're good to go. Okay, all right, so you can choose any model of your choice. So you can scroll down here. When you scroll down here, this is still at home. You will see lyrics. This is where you paste your lyrics. Then if you paste your lyrics, you choose whether you want it to automatically generate your, if you want auto lyrics, you choose it. Okay, it will automatically help you with generating of your lyrics. Just tell it what you want it to generate. Let's say a song about a cat. You type it here under auto lyrics, you click generate. It's going to generate the lyrics and also the music for you. Okay, then it says add at least 3 style tags or turn on auto tags. So make sure you add at least 3 tags here even when you do that, or you turn this on so that it automatically gives you the tags. All right, that being said, scroll down. You can also try test models, the models that are being tested. Okay, so you can also click here for more advanced, but advanced is very okay. It accommodates your needs. All right, so here is the staff picks, what they've picked, the ones that are really good. You can see 12K. You see 12,000 people played this and they loved it. A lot of people are coming here. This is new to a lot of people, but a lot of people already know about this site. So if you want to create your music, hurry. When I say hurry. If you want a music, let me just give you an insider secret right now. Okay, if you want to have a particular music that all your videos are known for, let's say you're in the storytelling niche and maybe it is for his love storytelling niche, right? You want to generate 2 or 3 videos, audios, 2 or 3 musics that your channel is known for. Whenever that music is played, it's for your channel alone. Okay, you can generate it and then you use it for your videos anytime. You don't need to be generating fresh musics at every point in time. You can have the one that whenever it's heard, they know the channel that owns that music. You can do that. Okay, hurry, generate your music now. AI channels or AI tools that we know about usually move from free to paid quickly. So you don't want to delay. You don't want to waste any time. Go over to this site and generate your music. So these are the ones that people see, 28K, 26K. These are the ones that people are already listening to, that has been generated on this site. Down here you see trending in your groups. If you have any group that you have joined, you will see the ones that are trending in the groups. I've not joined any group. Okay, I've not joined any group. So here top posts, and here you see group for you. You can create a group. Other people already created groups, so you can join any group of your choice. 233 members, 116 members, 106 members. So you can just check the one that resonates with you and then you join it. Then there are categories and all of that, tracks for you and all of that. Okay, so these are the things you can see under home. Search is where you can search for any song of your choice, okay, that you're already sure has been generated. Maybe you've listened to it, you liked it, and all of that. You can still go search for it. All right, so that being said, feedback, you already know what feedback is. If you're giving them a feedback on what you observed on their site, good. Radio, all right, you know that already. So create, this is where we are coming to. You see, it's the same interface with home, but it is a bit different. Let me explain. We can see start your masterpiece the same, simple and advanced the same. We can see the model the same. We can see view all tags, upload auto tags the same. We can also see our lyrics where you paste your lyrics, okay, is the same. But now we're going to be going down here. These are the ones you have created yourself, the music you've created yourself, okay? So under create, you see your own musics. Under home, you see the music other people created, okay? So there's no special place to go and look for your music. It's just here directly. Under here, you see, you choose my music. So that's what you end up seeing under create. Now, I'm going to be telling you how to create instrumental music, that is music without lyrics, and also music with lyrics. All right, the first thing you have to do is to decide whether you want it to have lyrics or not. When you decide that is a background music for your is a background music for all your videos and you don't want it to have lyrics, that is fine. For those of us that are not in the storytelling niche, that is okay. But if you're in the storytelling niche, you can also generate a song that is simple and, you know, for your type of movie, right? If your channel has, if your niche is, let's say, love story, right? If it's for love stories, you can easily generate a song that has lyrics, okay, that subtly talks about love. You can generate that here, generate a couple of them, listen to them, and make your choice for the one that your channel will be known for. But if it is general, let's say niches like motivation and all the likes, and you want a background music that is up to 4 minutes plus, please go with the instrumentals. I'm going to be showing you how to go about that. So the first thing you have to do, as I said earlier, is to decide on what you want. So if it is instrumentals, all you have to do is come here, choose no lyrics. You see it will type instrumental here. The next thing you have to do is to come and choose your tags. You input your tags here and then you click on generate. At the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how to add your tags without having any challenge, because I'm going to be adding tags now and it's going to show me some errors, and I'll be teaching you how to add your tags without any issues. All right, so we are going to add tags here. Let's go. And then we are going to add some tags. Okay, so the tags we're going to be working with are these ones for an instrumental. Okay, copy it, come here and then paste. I'm going to be showing you what it will say. Look down here, you're going to see a pop-up down here. If I click generate, just down here, you're going to see a pop-up once I click generate. See, failed to generate, error, slow blues, relaxed groove. They said they are invalid tags. You're going to look for relaxed groove, you remove it. Slow blues, you remove it. You click again. It's going to tell you another one to remove, or it will generate it. See, it has started generating it. So we're going to wait for it to completely generate and then we'll listen to it. Okay, now if you don't want to while it's generating, okay, I would continue with my explanations. Okay, so it's working on this particular one. You can just wait for it to finish, but while it's still generating, I want to explain something. For your lyrics, you can generate a full-blown lyrics. You know, it's 4 minutes, so you're not limited. Okay, 4 minutes, so you are not limited. So you're going to be generating a full-blown song. All right, a full-blown song, and then you just tell ChatGPT what you want, what the song is all about, and then you copy the lyrics. Okay, copy the lyrics. All right, sorry. Okay, we hit copy. We come over to the site and then it's 65% generated, 49% generated. Let's wait for it to complete the generation. Okay, two of our songs has been generated. As you can see, it is just 2 minutes 29 seconds. This one 2 minutes 13 seconds, and this is because it does not have lyrics, so it cannot generate instrumentals for you with a limit. You understand? It will not generate up to 4 minutes fully because there is nothing to work with. It's just giving you something really good with, the tags you've given it. Okay. That being said, you're going to listen to these songs at the end of the video. So you can click on the 3 dots, come to download, and then download MP3. Download MP3. Usually music sites, when you click on video, it's going to give you just a picture in the background while the song is playing. So I usually prefer clicking on download MP3. If you want to create the video of the song being sung, it is a separate thing entirely. Okay. All right. So okay. All right. I've downloaded the songs. That being said, we're going to be looking at how to create the song with lyrics. How to create the song with lyrics. So down here, you see auto lyrics. Auto lyrics is when you don't know what you want to generate. You just want to generate a song about something and you don't have the lyrics. All you have to do is type here. Let's say it's a song about a cat. Type it here, a song about a cat, and whatever it is the cat, discovered, whatever it is you have in mind, right? You type it here, leave it at auto lyrics on this auto tags because it's the one that is generating the song, so it automatically knows what you want or what it can work with together with whatever song is giving you. Okay. Or you can choose right here, or you search for styles, then you hit generate. The second way is when you have your own lyrics. So you come here and then you choose custom lyrics because you are the one that has your own lyrics. So you're going to paste it, and then this is my lyrics. I've pasted it. For tags, you're going to type in your tags, the tags you want. You cannot generate without your tags, right? So you can come here and choose the tags that you want. I'm going to be copying my tags. Okay, so I'm going to be copying my tags. Copy. Okay. I'm going to come here. Then I'm going to paste the tags. Okay, I'm going to paste the tags. All right, this is the tags that I'll be working with. Then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to hit generate. So it's going to go straight to generate it because of the secret I said I'm going to let you know at the end of this video. So our video is being generated. As you can see here, 4%, 6% playable. So you can play it and listen to it. So it's 6% playable. All right. Okay. So you can like your videos, your songs. You can also like the songs of others. You can even play their songs from the home tab and see the ones you like. Click like and all of that. You can join groups, as I said earlier, but this is how to create your own songs. Okay. So this is your profile. While our song is being generated, let's go to profile and see what we have here. So you can create your unique name, that's your unique username, put your display name, what people should call you, description about yourself. You can even put your image and update your profile. As you can see, there is no place here that says limit. There is also no place here that says subscribe to this plan or that plan. Please, are you not excited? All right, so I also took my time to check their terms of use. Took my time to check their terms of use. There is no place that says it is not for commercial purposes, so you can use it on any of your videos. Remember, AI websites update their terms and conditions almost every time. So as you use it, also keep checking it. If you want to know the secret of how to read a lot of terms and conditions without reading it yourself, just let me know in the comment section. And if I see up to 50 of it, I am going to create a video of that separately. Okay, the songs has been generated. We have it here, 4 minutes 33 seconds, 4 minutes 25 seconds. So it always generates 2 songs for you. You can listen to 2 of them, know the one that is better for you, and download the one that you want. Or if you don't want the 2 of them and you want to tweak the prompt a little or tweak the tags a little, you can always do that and regenerate. All right, that being said, I am going to go back to, let me download them first. I'm going to go back to telling you what I said I would mention at the end of this video. Okay, the songs are ready. I've played them. They are both good. They are both good. The intro, perfect. They are very, very good. All right. So to what I said I was going to talk to us about at the end of the video. This is it. Here is a way to get to see all the tags that this particular tool has, so that you don't put invalid tags and get prompted over and over to keep removing tags from your tag list. Okay, if you have up to 5 tags, it will prompt you up to 3 times to remove tags. If you click on generate, it will say remove tags. Click on generate, it will tell you to remove tags that are invalid. So what you do is come here, click on view all tags. It's going to open up all tags, and you can see it is a lot. It is a lot. Even at this, it's not all. See this arrow down, you keep scrolling. It is a lot. So all you have to do is click on download as txt. When you click on download as txt, it's going to be downloaded. I have it already. It's going to be downloaded in your browser. That's to your file manager. You come to ChatGPT and you upload it. Okay, come to ChatGPT, you upload the tags. When you upload the tags, you tell it to write the tags of the song that you want, that it has already generated for you. You should write the tags using only the tags that are in that file. When you give it that prompt, it's going to write the tags for you, and it's going to limit the tags to only the tags that are inside this prompt. That way, you'll not be getting that prompt that says invalid tags over and over. You're not going to be getting it. You're going to get straight to generating your video without feeling frustrated. Just in case if you add up to 20 tags and you're not sure of it, remove them, do this, and then generate. That way you get your audio or your music ready for use. And at this juncture, I'll be saying, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so that a lot of people will come and learn how to create their music for free. A lot of Christian music these days are being done with AI, and people are enjoying it and all of that. You can create yours, or you can use it for your content. Do well to hit like on this video, and come back for more videos like this.